It's been a while since I posted a video, and I want to give you an update of what I've been doing in the shop. So I've been using pegboard hung on the wall. There's just some small pieces, but I don't like it because it's pretty flimsy and I just need more room for storage anyway. So I've taken that down and I'm going to work through putting up French cleats and show you how that works along with the flexibility that it provides. So let's get started. To start, I use 3/4 inch thick plywood. I cut that into 4 3/4 inch thick strips. After I got those all cut, I cut those in half to roughly 1 7/8 inch strips, and I did that with a 45-degree cut on the table saw. After those were cut down, I wanted to take the sharp point off and did that also on the table saw. After the strips were all cut, I started to mount them to the wall. I used about a 4-inch spacing between the top of the lower cleat up to the next one, and then just made sure they were level and carried them across the wall. If you're looking for more information on French cleat systems and the benefits, there's lots of great videos on YouTube. If you're looking for some of those, just shoot me a message in the comments and I can send some your way. So after it was complete, I had it going, spanning the entire length of one side of the wall. From there I started to create fixtures to hold the various things to mount on a wall. For heavier items like this drill press, I use 2 cleats for it to carry the extra weight. Similarly, I did that for the bench grinder. Most of the other items were much lighter and only took 1 cleat and were very simple, like the screwdriver holder. I also have a place to store my vise when I'm not using it. Various saws, the jigsaw, and I did use 1/4 inch plywood for much of these with some extra support since I was trying to use that up. Circular saw, this also has a mount. A few miscellaneous hammers, chisels, and random tape laying around the shop. The heat gun also has a small mount, along with other miscellaneous items, including a box for scrap wood. So putting it together, it is much easier to use, much stronger than pegboard. Has a lot more flexibility. So again, just want to have a short shop update. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful on some basics around French cleat systems, and we'll see you soon.